Yes, welcome to this guideline or consultancy. Customize this presentation to educate people on the advancement in CNC machining. This is subtractive machining and also a career path for CNC machining or manufacturing. In my previous presentations, I already explained the meaning of CNC machining. In simple term, a CNC is computer numerical control, and when you say machining, you are using a computer has a control program to automate manufacturing, so that it's able to move the tool from one place to another to automate manufacturing. These are normally used for high precision parts from metals, plastics, wood, and composites. So CNC is critical in automotive industry, aerospace industry, medical industry, tooling industry. Tooling, when you say tooling, when you're making the dies, molds, and also either blow mold or injection mold, in construction and also in manufacturing. The advancement in this area came into play after the development of microprocessors in MIT. That's when they introduced a CNC, because now they're able to use a CNC to control the machine table. But previously they were using what you call NC. You find the old machine were called NC machining, but today we are calling them CNC because they're able to use a computer that has maybe other parameters to ensure that it helps us in precisely automating manufacturing. This field is normally hands-on. It is highly employable and globally acceptable for the excellent career progression in terms of career path. If you look at some of the key operations, maybe I've just summarized key operations in CNC machining. You may find what you call CNC turning. CNC turning, you may find two axis or mill turn or turn mill. The purpose is they usually produce parts from a cylindrical parts, or what you call stock or objects or workpiece, and they do maybe machine things like shafts, bearings, bush, pins, threads for automotive, oil and gas, and also general engineering. If you look at CNC, you also have a CNC milling machine. Most cases they normally use flat materials to produce 2D and 3D parts, components for the mold, brackets, dies, injection mold, blow mold, for manufacturing industry like aviation, medical, and also tooling. We also have what we call CNC router or router. CNC router normally cuts plastic, aluminum sheets, wood. For that, actually this is a woodwork. You can manufacture signposts, you can manufacture panels, you can manufacture doors, furniture, advertisements or cabinet from CNC router. We have CNC laser cutting. It uses what we call precision cutting laser beam. It uses a laser beam to cut sheet metal or acrylic material or plastic materials, basically for fabrication purposes or in industries. I think it's now coming up in the industries or signage or electronic PCB boards. We have also called plasma cuts. Plasma cuts, you cut thick metal using plasma arc, which it can cut things like steel, aluminium for structural steel fabrication and also construction industries. We have what we call water jet cutting. It normally uses high pressure water that is passed through a small orifice, so that the purpose is to do what we call abrasive cutting. We can do metal cutting, glass, stone, and also composite cutting. That's what advantage of water jet cutting. It normally used in aerospace industry, stone industry, precision manufacturing, and even automotive when they're elongating or extending the body of the vehicle. We also have what we call wire EDM, that is electrical discharge machining, where it cuts hard materials using a electrical spark and even a wire. So the purpose is to make tools. When you want to make cutting tools or hard materials or hard alloys, you use this one to cut, like using cutting for the mold part or die part or aerospace or precision tooling industry. Then lastly, we have chemical etching. chemical etching, remove material using chemicals. Maybe some of them, others normally use graphite, where you subject a graphite that has the pattern of what you want, then it etches that area to shape into the pattern of the graphite. Meaning you need to use a graphite to shape the graphite to the shape you want, so that it can shape the part. So we call them chemical etching. I know this field is very advanced in the industry, but it's very difficult to find the courses being offered in TVET. But I think now currently they are introducing CBET programs in TVET. So actually you need to do certificate in CNC machining, certificate in machining technology, certificate in tool and die making, and also certificate in fabrication technology. But some extent you may not find it in various colleges or universities in Kenya, where this will help you to become a CNC operator or CNC or machine operator. But you may not find these courses in Kenya. Some of these courses you may not find them; they are not so active. You can also do diploma courses like diploma in CNC machining, diploma in mechanical engineering, like manufacturing option, diploma in mechatronics, diploma in tool making and die design, and diploma in industrial automation. Some of them they have, but they are not so active in Kenya. I think most of them are doing electrical, plumbing, civil, and also welding and fabrication. But other areas like this, maybe they are not so common in Kenya. So at the end of the day, once you do these courses, you become a CNC machinist or CNC technician or CNC programmer. But what is so common, actually, like us, the Chris Technologies, what we are doing is we are offering short industrial courses in CNC programming, where we teach you how to do manual G code, that is called G and M code, preparatory and miscellaneous G codes. The course is variable because it variable and flexible. We teach you how to do what called CAD/CAM, computer aided design and computer aided manufacturing using SolidWorks, Fusion 360 and Mastercam. We teach you how to program machines like Fanuc, Siemens, Haas, or GSK or HNC, Central Star from China. We also teach you to do what we call precision measurement and metrology and CNC maintenance and troubleshooting, basic skills, so that you are only specialized in skills you want to boost your career progression and to boost your salary scale. A degree path, normally you need to do what we call 4 years program, like in Bachelor in Technology, Mechanical Engineering, Manufacturing, Bachelor of Science or Bachelor of Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, or Bachelor of Technology, Mechatronics. I know some of those guys who have done this, like me. I did Bachelor of Engineering in Mechanical Engineering, and I went to industry to do a specialized program in CNC, and that's why we normally offer a CNC program in our industries. So I think this is most common, but most of people who have done that one, maybe they have very little exposure to a CNC machine. At the end of the day, you become a CNC engineer. Now I'm a CNC graduate engineer. You become a manufacturing engineer or production engineer. So all these are now my field. So this is a career path where you can now advance your skill in CNC machining. If you look at the entry level, maybe you can do entry level and become a CNC machine operator or trainee machinist, where in case they employ you, can get maybe a salary between 30 to 60,000 per month. If you are a skill level now, maybe a CNC machinist or CNC setter, the purpose is to set a CNC programmer. If you have these skills, then you can acquire between 60,000 to 150,000 per month Kenya shillings. But if you have advanced or if you have advanced skill or specialist in CAD/CAM, engineer, tool and design maker, Wire EDM specialist or laser or water jet technician, then your salary scale should be between 120 to 300,000 per month. Depends on the company. Don't say that this one is so that you go and inquire the company, because it depends on the scale of the company. For senior level and leadership, because when you're doing machining, you need to also understand how to lead others, because maybe like manufacturing engineer, production engineer, CNC workshop manager or plant supervisor, this skill now you will acquire more than 180 to 500 per month, depending on the company. Then lastly, if you are doing yourself as an entrepreneurship, maybe you have started a business as a sole proprietorship or partnership, you can do CNC job shop owner, or you can become a CNC job shop owner or precision manufacturing business or custom fabrication company, where The salary or whatever you get or income you get may depend on how you are doing your business. And actually, maybe if you do well, you can get more than 300 per month if you do well. Okay, for comparison between Kenya and global comparison, I think the CNC operator in Kenya can be between 30 to 60k net. Outside, you can get maybe per hour. They go give you almost 30 to 45 dollars per hour. CNC, so they separate CNC operator, CNC machinist, CNC programmer, CAD/CAM engineer, tool and die maker. For me, I have all these skills. For you to become a specialist in CNC, you need to combine these skills. You need to have CAD/CAM software skills like Mastercam, Fusion 360, SolidCAM, SolidWorks. You need to understand how to do 2-axis, 3-axis, 4-axis, 5-axis, precision measurement like CMM, blueprint reading and G, D, and T for tolerance, CNC machine maintenance, and also automation and robotic integration. So this is some of the key skills you need to add in your career to ensure that you get more and more. Then final is very, very important for your career advice. CNC machining is one of the fastest route to employment. Actually, it's growing route to employment. You can do diploma and add skills like CAD/CAM skills in areas that are offering like us. We do offer CAD/CAM and CAD/CAM skills. You can also add Wire EDM, laser waterjet skills. These are normally high-paying areas. You can also do local industry and also search overseas, so that you're able to advance your career, and also you can do your entrepreneurship. This is very high, but you require to invest. If you don't invest, then this you'll be employed to and earn a small amount. So CNC machining career guide is very important. Your path to successful career in advanced manufacturing is very important, but you have to start somewhere. So why this? I'm doing this consultancy to elevate somebody, to educate somebody, to get somebody who wants to become a CNC machinist. Where will you get these skills? There are many colleges here in Kenya who are offering that. It might depend on how they're offering, but as Dalcreens Technologies, we are specialized in CAD/CAM and CNC. This is the area we train you to understand the process, to understand all the techniques used to elevate you or elevate your skills to become a professional skill worker.